Good morning, students. I am Sheikh Johnny Basha, your social teacher. Today, in this section, I will explain India's ranges, peaks, plateaus. So, first of all, I will explain the directions of India. This direction east side, east side, east side, east side, east side, east side, west side, west side, west side, west side, west side, north side, north side, north side, south side, south side, south side, northeast side, northeast side, northeast side, southeast side, southeast side, southeast side, southwest side, southwest side, southwest side, northwest side, northwest side, northwest side, northwest side. These are the directions of India. And first of all, Nanga Parbat mountain, Nanga Parbat mountain located northwest side of India, northwest side of India. Nanga Parbat mountains are located. It is there the boundaries of Pakistan and India. It is located in the boundaries of Pakistan and the India. Nanga Parbat located northwest side of India. Here the northwest side of India, Nanga Parbat mountains are located. The boundaries of Pakistan, India. Next, K2 peak. It is located India, China boundaries. It is located India, China borders. K2 peak. K2 peak is there between India and the China. Here, K2 peak. North side of India. North side of India. K2 peak located India and the China. Next, north side of India, the Jammu and Kashmir state, Karakoram range. Karakoram range is located in Jammu and Kashmir. Karakoram range, north side of India, in Jammu and Kashmir. Karakoram range is located in Jammu and Kashmir. All this area Himalayas mountains. This area Himalayas. Here, these areas are occupied by Himalayas. Next, north side of India, in Ladakh area, Jaskar range located. Jaskar range located here. North side of India, in the Ladakh, Jaskar range located. Next, north side of India, north side of India, in the Nepal country, nearest the Nepal country, Kanchenjunga located. Kanchenjunga located. Kanchenjunga located. Here the Kanchenjunga located here. India, Nepal, nearest Kanchenjunga located here. Next, north east side of India, north east side of India, borders of India and the Burma or Myanmar, Patkai Bum Hills are located. India, Myanmar or Burma, in this boundaries area, in this margins, Patkai Bum Hills are located. Exactly here the Arunachal state is there. Arunachal state, our state Arunachal state is there. Next, northeast side of India, in the Meghalaya state, Jaintia Hills located here. Jaintia Hills located here. Meghalaya district, northeast side of India, Meghalaya district, Jaintia Hills located here. And the Here the Indian desert, Thar desert is located in Rajasthan. Thar desert located in Rajasthan, north west side of India, in the Rajasthan state. Indian desert, Thar desert located here. Thar desert located here, and the middle of India, Aravali range located here. Aravali range located here. Here the state Rajasthan, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, those areas, Araval ranges are occupied. Here the Araval ranges located here. The boundaries of Rajasthan state, Gujarat state, Madhya Pradesh state, Uttar Pradesh state, all these states boundaries, the Aravali ranges are covering this area. Next, located here the Araval ranges. Next, Vindhya ranges located in Madhya Pradesh. Vindhya ranges, middle of India, in the Madhya Pradesh state. Vindhya ranges located here. Vindhya ranges located here. Next, plateaus point of view, the north east side of India, nearest states, Bihar, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, West Bengal, those areas, Chota Nagpur plateau are occupying these areas. Chota Nagpur, plateau covering this area. The states here, the West Bengal, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, and Jharkhand, those areas covering Chota Nagpur plateau. Next, Malwa plateau in the Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat. Location Malwa plateau is there. Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat, those locations, Malwa plateau is there. Here the middle of India, Malwa plateau. Next, this is the western side and the southwest side, Western Ghats. Here, these locations of Western Ghats, the west side and the southwest side, Western Ghats locations here, and the south side of India. Here, in the Kerala state, Anamudi Peak is there. In the Kerala state, Anamudi Peak is there. In the Kerala state, Anamudi Peak is there. Anamudi Peak is there here. Next, south side of India, the Kerala state corner, another hill is there. Here the Cardamom Hills located here. Cardamom Hills located here. Cardamom Hills located here. These are the peaks, ranges, mountains, plateaus of India here. Some important only given here. Next, this side the Bay of Bengal occupied this area. Bay of Bengal. Next, Indian Ocean occupied here. Sri Lanka separate country. Lakshadweep Islands. Here the Arabian Sea located. This is the Pakistan area. This Pakistan area. Nangabata Parbat located India and Pakistan. Those boundaries area it is located. Next, K2 peak also located between India and China. Here the location given. And this is the Nepal region. This is Nepal region. Nepal country separate country. Nepal separate country. This is Tibet region. Tibet area. Tibet also separate country. This is China also separate country. Here the Burma and Myanmar. Patkai Bum Hills located India and the Burma and Myanmar borders. This area located. These are the important information I said here. Nearest observe once. Okay, students. Thank you. God bless you.